Guys, good morning. Guys, I'm doing this video because we are going to start the new Core Java batch and Python batch, and the Core Java batch timing will be the morning 9 a.m. So guys, Core Java batch will be the 9 a.m. guys. 9 a.m. we are starting from this Tuesday onwards. I'm placing the links in the description. Okay, you try to join the class into the description. Okay, Core Java 9 a.m. guys, and we'll start the Python core and advanced guys. Core Java 9 a.m. Python we will start by 6 p.m. It's 1 hour class guys, online meeting. Very soon we're going to start the live classes. The guys who are looking for the live classes, I will update you. But as of now, we are taking for the online classes. And even if you reach for the online classes, when the live classes started, you can move to the live classes. It's not a problem. Okay. And as well, guys, Core Java 9 a.m. and the duration of this course, guys. Duration of this course is exactly 2 months. Guys, it's not like semester classes to take like 6 months, 7 months, 8 months classes. Exactly 2 months. You can question me after 2 months. Sir, Ratan sir, you said like Core Java 2 months, but still not completed. You can question me like that. But exactly, I'll take the 2 months, guys. Actually, see, there is no fast track, guys. Fast track or normal track. Minimum like 2 months is sufficient time to get the clarity about the subject. Even 1 month also maybe unable to get the clarity. So minimum 2 months, like not minimum, guys. 2 months is sufficient time to get the clarity about the subject. Yes, sorry, clear now. Duration is 2 months. Even Python also duration is 2 months, guys. Even Python is also what? Duration is 2 months. So Core Java 2 months and what? Python is 2 months, right? Exactly. So the class timing will be the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. for the Core Java, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. For the Python, the class time will be the 6 p.m. to what? 7 p.m. right? 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Duration is like 2 months, guys. I will share the video links, guys. Just you try to register the link and to try to join the class by Core Java 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. What the date, guys? Tuesday means what the date? 16th of March, right? Good. So date, guys, the date will be the March 16th. This by Tuesday, right? Tuesday, guys. Guys, March 16th will be the Tuesday, and this is also same date, guys. So date 16th of March. 16th of March. So Tuesday, right? Exactly, guys. So March 16th, guys. This is also March 16th. Tuesday are going to start the class. And the fees, guys, I don't know, outside most of the online classes they are charging like 7,000, 9,000 for the Python, for 15,000 for the Core Java. That I don't know, but I decided to make the fees very less, guys. The fees for this course is, guess the fees, guys. How much you are thinking? How much you are thinking? Very less. So 3,000 for the online classes, guys. It's fine, guys. 3,000 for the online classes. And for this Python is also even for the fees is of 3,000 only, guys. I decided to take all the classes for the 3,000 only, guys. Even Core Java. See, guys, I will teach like Core Java. After Core Java, I will start Advanced Java immediately. After that, I will teach the Spring classes and Spring Boot microservices. I decided to take the complete Java classes, guys. And even Python also. After Python, you will get the Django classes, REST API calls. Is that clear now? Yeah. The fees will be the 3,000, guys. So the Core Java will be the 3,000. And Python is also visible 3,000, right? Very less fees, guys. And then compared to market, see, some guys are able to pay 10,000, some guys are unable to pay, but 3,000 means everyone is able to pay the fee, right? It's reasonable, guys. Reasonable. Fees is 3,000, guys. And coming to the required session, guys. See, I will upload all the videos in YouTube. That's one thing. Anyway, you will get all the videos in the YouTube. That's one option. And every day I will say the required session to your mail ID, guys. Once you have done the registration process, once you have done the fee payment, I will take your mail IDs. I will send the everyday required session to your mail IDs, guys. Every day. So even for the Python and Core Java both are same, guys. So every day we will share what? We will share required session to your mail ID, guys. Required session to mail IDs, right? Your email IDs, guys. That point is clear. every day I will share the required session to your mail ID, guys. This is the first point you have to focus. And second one, guys, as for this course, I have a PDF document. I will share all the PDF documents to your mail IDs once you've done the registration process. See, guys, every day we will share the required session to your mail IDs, and we will share the PDF documents. And see, guys, number third is like we will share the PDF documents, guys. See, Python means almost all they have 300 pages material, 300 plus pages material. Core Java is almost we have the 400 plus pages material. So PDF documents I will share you to mail IDs, guys. And the third one is what? Every day I will share the required session to your mail IDs. Next one is the PDF documents, guys. Syllabus, you attend the class, guys. In the classroom demo class itself, I will discuss the syllabus copy, and I will upload that video in the YouTube. Okay. So syllabus copy I will share because in the board explaining the syllabus copy is not possible. So every day we will share the required session and PDF documents will be sent to your mail ID, right? Good. The third one is, guys, assignments, guys. Every topic we will share the assignments. Guys, for the assignments separately we have some document. So almost all Core Java means you have the 300 plus assignments. Python is also almost all you have 300 plus assignments. Every day in the class I will share the assignments, guys. See, PDF document is different, assignment document is different, guys. Every day I will share the assignments. Guys, that point is clear. I will share the assignments, right? And we will discuss that assignments some day, guys. Some days we will discuss that assignments, because if I give an assignment, some guys are able to do that assignments, some guys are unable to do that assignments. One day we will spend on the time to discuss what are the assignments we are giving, right? What are the assignments given, guys? See, guys, the Core Java is 9 AM to 10 AM to 10 AM. Python will be the 6 PM to 7 PM. So duration is 2 months. This one also duration is 2 months. And the date will be the March 16th, guys. This Tuesday I am going to start the new batch. Guys, I am uploading this video on the YouTube. So the guys who are subscribed to our channel, and please share the information to your friends. And some guys, they are sending the mail, guys, to send the PDF document. Sorry for that, I didn't share the material for that due to some issues. Today onwards, guys, today like tomorrow onwards, Monday, tomorrow onwards, you can send whatever the document you need. You just send the mail to the is my mail ID, which is like Ratna Ratna 5256 5256 at gmail.com, guys. And you can send the mail to another mail ID if you want, Ratan IT help at gmail.com, guys. Guys, past is past. So previously I used, guys, some guys are sending mail, but I didn't respond. Some guys I responded. The guy if you need any material documents, PDF documents, guys, and if you need online classes and if you need offline classes, any information, just you can send a mail to these two mail IDs, guys. And when coming to mobile numbers, guys, I will share the office mobile number, which is like 7330 886699, guys. This is office mobile number. If office mobile number is responded, no problem. If that guy is not responded, even I will share my personal number, guys. My personal number, most of the guys knows my number, so my number will be what? Tell me, guys, what's my number here? 9000 160099. It's my personal number, guys. If you want, you can contact me on my personal number also, guys. First priority goes to office number 7330 886699. Okay, so if you want, you can contact me on my personal number 9000 160099. If I am not responding, just you can send the WhatsApp message at least, okay, so that I will check and I will send a reply, guys. Is it clear now? So this is the information, guys, regarding our new batches, which is going to start March 16th, Tuesday. Every day we will share the required session, guys. PDF documents we will share, and share the assignments, guys. And the fourth one is like, see, guys, every 15 days, see, guys, maybe you attend the Core Java classes, maybe 4 months, maybe 5 months, maybe 6 months in some other institutes. I am not blaming anyone, but see, guys, after 3 months, if you done the course, what you learn means, see, generally we are doing analysis after completion of our course, right? After completion of course, what I learn? Nothing. Yes or no? What I learned? Nothing. That's what, guys, for every 3 topics, 4 topics, I will prepare one test actually. Test which is contains of 20 marks questions, 20 questions, guys. Every 3 topics, 4 topics, I will prepare one test which is for the 20 marks. By preparing the 3 topics, you will attempt the test. We'll attempt the test. Definitely curiosity, right? So test means most of the guys at least they will check what is the questions, right? They'll check what are the questions. To understand the questions, definitely repeat the 3 topics, right? So like that, every 3 or 4 topics, guys, I'll prepare one test. Almost for the end of this course, Core Java or Python, I'll take the 7 or 8 test papers, guys. Yes or no? Every 15 days you can analyze. Okay, every 10 days or 15 days or 5 days, 6 days, I don't know. But I'll definitely share the test papers and the big questions which asked by topmost interviews, guys, like topmost companies. I'll share definitely the test papers. You try to complete the test, and even I will share you the answers also. You try to correct and then let me know how many marks you got. Yes, which one is better, guys? Every 10 days you have to analyze yourself. That is recommended. After 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, I done the core Java. What I learned? Nothing, right? That's very, very important, guys. See, guys, self-analysis is very, very important. The 4th one is what? Test papers. Test, guys, which including the 20 marks. Almost all I will share the 5, 6 test papers, guys. Yes, more than that test I will share you. That's not a problem. So more than 7, 8 tests I will prepare. So until you get the satisfaction, right? Good, guys. The 4th point. And the 5th point, guys. And even for the core Java and Python, I will prepare one project for the core Java. I will share you one project for the core Java, and I will share you one project for the Python also. Even. Guys, are you clear now? So I will share one project, guys. So live project. So we will share what project, right? So in front of you, I'll develop this project, guys. Whether it is a small application or big project, in front of you, I'll develop this application. Guys, are you clear now? From my side, every day I share the required session to your mail IDs, and every day PDF documents I'll share, and every day I will share the assignments, guys. At the end of this course, you'll get almost all 300 plus assignments, and every 10 days you have to write one test, so that you will get the clarity about what are the previous topics we done, right? And at last you will get the project, guys. Guys, are you clear, right? Anything is missing? I think most of the points I covered, guys. Core Java timing, duration is 2 months, date is March 16, this Tuesday, guys, day after tomorrow. So Python is also 6 p.m. to 7 p.m, duration is 2 months, date is 16th March. You try to attend the demo class, guys. Once you attend the demo class, if you have any questions, I'll give the explanation for that. In the demo classes, first days, I will discuss what is the content you are going to discuss over the next 2 months, and what is the importance of Java and what is the importance of Python. See, guys, Java is having its own importance, Python is having its own importance. So don't think like Python is big market, is there, Java is outdated, Java is very good, Python is outdated. Don't think like that, guys. So Python is completely different one, where we can go for the machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science. These levels, Python is very, very important, guys. Even for the enterprise applications, every company for the enterprise applications, they are going for the core Java still. So, guys, Spring Boot and microservices and web services, these are doing the like enterprise applications, right? Exactly. So 2 different platforms, guys. Java is very important to design enterprise applications. So where the larger scale applications using the Spring Boot, microservices and web services. And Python is important where we can use like data science concept, machine learning, artificial intelligence, these are the concepts, right? Guys, are clear now? So this is my mail IDs, guys. If you have any questions, just you can send the mail to mail IDs. Otherwise, just you can contact office number 7330886699. This is office number, guys. And if the number is not responding, just you can call to my number 9000160099. The fees is very less, guys. It will be 3,000 rupees. Very clear, right? Yeah. This is from my end what I am going to give in our classes, guys. Every day we will share the required session is mandatory, and PDF documents I will share you, assignments I will share you. Every 10 days or 15 days I will share test papers and project, right? Good. So thank you, guys, and please inform this information to your friends, and we'll meet on Tuesday. Core Java means 9 a.m, Python means 6 p.m, guys. Thank you, guys.